Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. So friends, today I got for repair Shure UR2 hand transmitter with the cartridge SM58 cartridge. So the problem in this hand transmitter is, see, the switch is damaged. It's broken. Switch is broken. See this. So friends, now we'll replace this damaged broken switch with a new one. So let's see how to replace this damaged switch with a new one. So I got the new switch with me. This is the new switch. So we'll replace this switch with the new one. Just keep watching my video, guys. So friends, so for this we need to remove this one first. Remove the cover, then remove this one. See guys, it's removed. So then remove this one, this will come out easily. This will come out. See guys, this come out. Then there's one nut is there, chuck nut. This remove out. So guys, this take it out. Now it's free now. So now remove this one, cartridge. Remove cartridge. This are clip inside. See, there is a clip inside. We need to remove that also. Just take out. Now it is free. Now just remove the screws. We need to remove the screws also. These two. See guys, this remove. So now just pull little. This come out. See. So now guys, remove this one, top one. This come out. Now there is one small nut here. This one. Just pull this. So this two PCB will get separated. Remove this nut. Now just little bit open this one. See guys, come out. So now we'll replace this switch. I got the new switch with me. So we'll replace this one. Just keep watching my video. So now we'll desolder this broken damaged switch. Somebody has repaired this before. See how they have done this one. So now nicely we'll fix this one, new one. Guys, so just keep watching my video. Now guys, we'll remove this one. Now we'll remove this switch also. See guys, I already dismantled out. See. So now we'll clean this area first, then fix new one. See guys, I already cleaned this one. So I already remove out. So now we'll start fixing new one. Just clean out first, whatever the dust will come out. See, should be like this. So now we'll fix the new one now. It's clean. So now we'll fix new one. See, it's like this. And also before fixing new switch, just confirm yourself all is good. Track, see, it's connected. This also connected, so there is no damage track. Here also same. See, this track there is no track with this one. See here, no track. It should supposed to be attached here, so the track is damaged. Maybe some earlier technician may damage the track maybe, so now we have to sort it out this one. So guys, I already report the track. Now we'll check the connectivity of all track. This okay, this okay. See, before this was not showing, now this is okay. So our all three tracks is open. Now we can fix new IC, new switch, on off switch. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching the video. So now we'll solder it from back. So guys, be careful before fixing new switch. All 3 points should be connected to the track properly, otherwise it's useless to replace new switch with the new one. So better confirm yourself that all tracks are okay, because these are very small tracks are there, so be careful. So now we'll solder from back, so take care. So guys, now we have soldered it properly. Just cut the external lids. So guys, after fixing also, just check the switch is working or not. So this two contact is there now. Now this on position, this is not. Now if we push off, now this is off. So now this is contacting, this is not contacting. So our switch is good now. Okay guys, I will fix it up now. Put the power on. So fix it. Be careful. Okay guys, now here nut, small nut, fix small nut, fix it, connect it properly. So now we'll fix it up here inside. Put this one, the top connectors. Be careful, should go in properly. See guys, so fix it back now. See guys, it's come out. Fix it. Now put the circlip first. This one, we'll put this first with this one. See guys, I fix it. This is finished. Now put that cover. So I already fixed this one. So now left these two things. So first put this one nut. I tighten the chuck nut. Now we'll put this antenna also. So this also fitted. Put the cartridge back. This one, be careful. So guys, this is a switch. Now we'll put the battery and we'll put it on. So we'll put the battery. Put the cover. Now we'll put it on. See guys, it's on. It's working. See, I will put it off. I put it off now. I put it on now. See, it's on. So our switch is working now. Okay guys, so like this we can replace the faulty switch with the new one in UR2 mic, hand transmitter mic. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please like it, share it, and don't forget to press button so that whenever I upload new video, so you will receive notification immediately. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you very much.